Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook tilapia in an air fryer. First, ensure your tilapia fillets are completely dry by patting them with paper towels. This crucial step helps achieve that perfect crispy texture. Next, lightly coat each fillet with about 1 tablespoon of olive oil or a cooking spray. Finally, season both sides generously with your favorite blend of spices, like salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika, to enhance the flavor. Now, let's get cooking. Preheat your air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 195 degrees Celsius, for 5 minutes. Carefully place your seasoned tilapia fillets in a single layer in the air fryer basket. Make sure they aren't overlapping to allow for even cooking. Cook for approximately 8 to 12 minutes, remembering to flip them halfway through until the fish is beautifully golden and flakes easily with a fork. Knowing when your tilapia is perfectly cooked is key. The ideal internal temperature for cooked fish is 145 degrees Fahrenheit or 63 degrees Celsius. Using a meat thermometer can help you achieve this precisely. Be careful not to overcook the fish, as this can lead to a dry and less enjoyable texture. For an even crispier result, consider giving the fillets another light spray of cooking oil when you flip them halfway through. Once your delicious air-fried tilapia is ready, serve it immediately for the best taste and texture. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice over the top will brighten the flavors beautifully. This versatile fish pairs wonderfully with a variety of sides, such as steamed green beans, a crisp garden salad, or some roasted sweet potatoes. For a final touch, garnish with fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro to elevate both the flavor and the presentation of your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.